Okay, so for today, pag-usapan natin ang scalar and vector. Okay, so these are topic on physics. Okay, so dito sa figure na to, makikita natin anong pagkakaiba ng scalar sa vector. Sa pag-scalar, usually, magnitude. Yan yun. Magnitude yung kanyang usual property. Pag vector naman, may magnitude and direction. So, in this example, makikita mo dyan yung speed nung sasakyan na to. It's just a scalar quantity. So, we don't know kung anong direction siya. Dito naman sa kabila, you have an apple on a weighing scale. So, meron siyang weight. And the direction of the weight is downward. Okay, what is a scalar quantity? So, magnitude, no direction. Example yan, mass, speed, distance, time, area, volume, density, temperature. And what is the vector quantity? So, may direction and magnitude. So, some example, linear momentum, acceleration, displacement, momentum, angular velocity, force, electric field, and polarization. How about this? Saan na yung sound? Okay, so yan. Yeah. Anyways, so nakita niya yung XYZ direction, no? Sa space. Okay, so these are the differences. Okay, so yung kanina yung definition, tapos the representation, and then the symbol. Ayan. So, usually we use the arrow sign kapag vector. Ayan. So, anyways. Papasadaan lang natin to. Okay, I'll just give you the link.